Now, we knew our shop floor was going to take the most abuse out of pretty much anything in here. And before we brought all of our equipment back in, we had the old concrete reconditioned for many more years of abuse. And here's how it happened. Resurfacing a concrete floor the right way is actually a lot of work, and the guys from Questmark are some of the very best in the business. They started by cutting the floor joints to clean them out and expose fresh concrete. Then the entire surface was ground off with a 480-volt, 1-ton electric grinder. The concrete dust was not only collected directly off the grinder, it was swept up for removal and vacuumed out of the floor joints. From there, they were filled with a flexible epoxy to give us a completely smooth surface once they were done. Now, this special formula allows the slabs of the floor to move independently, yet it keeps them bonded together and keeps dirt and dust and small parts out of the joints. Once the epoxy was dry, the floor was then ground smooth yet again and vacuumed clean one more time.
A layer of grout coat was spread on top of the concrete to help fill in all of the chips, scratches, and small holes left from years of abuse. And then, one last time, the surface was ground smooth. After one last thorough cleaning, a dark charcoal gray stain was applied to the floor so it wouldn't be so bright under all of our TV lights. The last step was burnishing the floor. That helps protect it from any new stains. Now, we think our new floor looks awesome, and we certainly know it is ready for anything we can throw at it.